guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a sticker out of yourself on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to cutout, select auto cutout, and I'm going to select the this one, or you can choose this one actually. Yeah, this one's a little bit better. I'm just going to leave the outline white, and I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to go to effects, and I'm going to go to video effects, and I'm just going to scroll down to texture, and I'm just going to add in some textures to the sticker in quotation mark, so it looks more like it's paper. I added a lot of like folds. You can even add in the print one, and then you can even add in the plastic one if you'd like. Just layer it on bit by bit. And once you're pleased with that, what I like to do is I like to add it on top of like a paper kind of canvas. I hope they have that here. Like this maybe, or like something darker like that. And it creates a really cool effect. If you want, you can also use like a video for this. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!